Raisins? This is much better.
You ain't got it on, man. Morning. The date is on the screen. This is the firing, the first firing of the 988 project which Walter Johnson and myself have been working on for approximately 4 years. We've never had it fired before. The only thing we've run it on is a little air. Well, a lot of air, really. And if it consumes steam like it consumes air, we don't stand a chance. But hopefully this engine's going to run today, and you are witnessing the firing of this locomotive. And the cussing and the fussing.
You're not going to put that on there.
What?
Have you got enough tape?
We got 3 hours of tape on there.
Well, it won't take 3 hours to get it fired.
We need to get her.
There's the van. Of course, we got a good picture of the toolbox. Got a good picture of the toolbox.
Oh, we're going to decide the toolbox.
Oh, we have. Well, we brought a few extra parts. That's all we did. Gotta get some newspaper. Huh? What did I do? This is Jackson's high-dollar shovel. Jack pouring coal in the bucket right now.
Boy, this is step-by-step instructions.
Step by step.
That's the flattest looking
This
bucket
charcoal
I've
lighter.
seen.
This is the soap gun. Get her starter started.
Coal is courtesy of Terry McGrath, where he is.
Courtesy? I wouldn't say that. We got paying back.
Well, that's right. You know, we're borrowing it right now. Well, put this in the bag here. If we don't want to coal, we'll get money.
I'm going to be optimistic to fill this sucker up. So I'm going to be optimistic to fill it up. Oh, it's not that bad.
Jack, if you want some dry coal, you can get a sack out of there to dry.
Huh?
Get a sack of dry coal out of there if you want.
Most of this is dry. It's just a little damp on top.
That ain't very much.
Well, that'll do for right now.
All right.
Ready. Got some rags laying there, but
I
probably
thought
right
they were
behind
right.
on the pillows.
What they got?
Will that drop fall?
Put them in there. We don't know where this will work or not.
Yeah, but pick it up with air.
Yeah. You want to try this or the air? You want to try this?
That. We got to see if it's going to work.
When you plug this up, it wraps the cord back up. It does.
Working big water.
Watch that rain getting to the top of that motor. That'll make you reach your gas.
Well, Ernie's come up with a good
We don't
idea.
figure it's going to last long when a fire gets to it.
We didn't even have our wrist that put on. It was one speed.
Where's your discharge?
Right there where my hand is. It's right through the motor. Going right through there where it is. We're going to try it this way.
Where is the popcorn coat?
You know, I forgot to bring popcorn. put the nearest electrolyzer.
Hey, Craig.
Is there one over there?
No, there's one in the.
You have an extension cord?
Yeah, I got a 12 foot. Yeah.
You got one?
Yeah, I got one. There's one right inside the door here.
This door or that door?
This is gonna be fun.
So we're over here in the observation section, you know.
Observation section.
You need an extension cord?
I got a 12 foot one here.
Yeah, you can put
It'll be
a
on
speaker on it.
What?
Haskins like this.
There's a plug right around there by the lift control.
Okay. That inside the building work?
Yep.
Now this is so
You
when
want
the
our
solder
witnesses.
comes out, that it don't hit you. That was Ernest's idea. Which is not a bad idea.
It's great.
Of course, we got another guy over here. He thinks his locomotive's gonna be better than ours.
Get the damned engine steamed up, will you?
Who said that?
Get a picture of that.
We've determined it holds 6 1/4 gallons of water in the boiler. That's full boiler. We measured that.
Witnesses.
The
There's one hiding behind the post door.
where it?
Here is Bob Bartholomew, proud owner of 1 week, 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay. What's the name of your railroad, Bob?
Kangaroo Western.
I think he's just a shortcut for being a drunk himself. That's what it sounds like. Distillery, man.
Well, we got
Put a switch on
we
that.
carry tank cars and whiskey down.
Where's the leak at, George?
I don't know if it's a boiler full.
Well, thought you was gonna watch it.
No, there's the hose, I guess, where the hose is.
Well, the next thing is fill the tender.
Don't be walking around on top of those steam pads. You slip and fall, break your leg.
I'll break his neck.
Did that there night inside the shop.
What?
That was bad.
I was screwed too bad, so I didn't do that.
Saturday night we
You need to
pumped
put your relief valve in.
we pumped it up, filled everything full of water. Last Saturday night.
Yeah, we have run a hydro on it.
Only a whole 40 pounds. Water.
Water?
Undo the hose too. Got a knot in.
You don't get your covers on before the meter.
Ask him.
Yeah. Selling covers? Yeah, we almost, I started building them anyway. I said, well, if I put them on there, we get out here, I can take them off. So make the valve stuff in there.
They won't take that long to make it.
No, it's probably taking that long to get the valve.
Don't know about the cylinder head, Charles. Got to turn them out aluminum.
We are, snifter valve.
Them manual sniffer things.
You want to squirt some oil in here?
We had to take them out to roll it in the van.
They sit back and
It
break
wouldn't run. It wouldn't push into the van.
That's it.
With compressing air.
What?
That's it.
It's that tight.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna be around here.
I hope they don't pull out.
Now I did do something on Curtis's tender as on this tender. It overflows, it just overflows inside.
Well, don't let it overflow.
Why not? We ain't here to check that out.
We don't need it to overflow.
I
noticed you got two sets of stirrups on that tender. Is that for an engineer and fireman combination?
Huh?
That tender was built for an engineer and fireman. See, it's got two sets of stirrups.
You ready?
I have a feeling every time the engine goes out, there's going to be an engineer and a fireman, and they're going to switch places back and forth.
That's cool.
You got that just about right, Bob.
Huh?
You got that about right.
Full crew on that engine, huh? Y'all through that water hose?
Yes, sir.
On top of it, but I don't want to say it loud. Not all wet to do.
You gonna fill it
Wait a
back
minute.
here in the bowl?
We got
Oh, we got cord in it?
Lord got mercy on it. There you go. What?
You want to take the brush on it?
You got a set?
Toss it on the brush. I had to get it.
Oh, there was a lot of them. Yeah, you buy them.
No, wait a minute.
You're asking. I'll put.
Just ask you.
We can put six-wheel trucks.
Six-wheel trucks on the damn.
Yeah, if you want to
Now, don't put
get
that
them.
in for the crap in there. I just asked you a question.
It's going my side.
Where, how about Buckeyes?
Oh, it's fine. Yeah.
They'd have to, the way you got them, you'd have to have.
You may have to put another plate on there.
This way.
Yeah, that's where you mount them anyway. You got an H in it.
You mount it between the first two and the last two. That's where the bolt is. Well,
You got an H bolt in
in other words,
Here's a wheel.
yeah.
Okay. You need to mount it here.
Yeah, well,
You know,
like a kid taking, what I'm saying is that, just suppose that was a six-wheel truck there, you'd have one set of wheels behind, the
Yeah,
other two,
four.
and it would be mounted just like that.
and this is right there. And this one here would go the other way. That's the way they did. If you look at HO model, it's the same way. That's the way they did. I don't know about the real road. Real.
Who's got
Buckeye.
who's got casting,
They're gonna
He,
go out.
and those castings is poured by y'all.
Ford mine. If we get the pattern, there's a lot of cores to be made. There's tons of cores. They got.
I just had to go with Commonwealth myself. I think
Well, there's
it was
not no
probably.
Commonwealths around.
Huh?
There's
Well-
not no Commonwealths around.
Harry's got pattern for Commonwealth.
He does.
Yes, he does. We talked about putting them on here.
You'll have to turn it on and off. So stay there and I'll tell you when to turn it off.
He already greased the
Okay.
axle pump.
No, I
Is
had
that thing still going?
but
Yeah.
yeah,
I gotta find the oil gun.
it's in the back of the van.
The back. Oh.
The oil gun or the grease gun.
It's on the right there. I gotta get it going on the bottom. Sorry, old rusty thing.
That oil can.
Work. Grease guns over here. We need all cans.
Hurry.
Worst time to be hauled up. Hi, how y'all doing? I'm just gonna get some oil. I'll turn around over here and do it.
Okay.
And they can do the thing. Don't turn you off here a minute, folks. We have made these complete rounds. Engine runs pretty good. We got a few little problems. One of them, which we're losing most of our water when it does that. Tap it. Never kind.
That ain't right, cause she wasn't no 120 that time.
All right. Okay, we'll just stop and let you take some.
Fixing to christen this thing.
Fixing to christen this thing. We're gonna get some smoke up. We're gonna christen this thing the Running Jesse.
Holy mackerel, look what it ruined the paint job. My goodness, it looks awful. Now you gonna pick up a glass?
Ooh, it stink. It stinks.
That'll eat your shoe leather off, man.
I don't know the paint all of it.
Well, we made about 3 rounds.
Water by a little better grade of
Come in. Had a flange drag, fixed the flange, fixed the dragon, changed the valve. We're going to check out the, still didn't get the injector working, but we're going to see here in a minute. Got some experts here, so they say. Jerry came out. My goodness alive, look at that. Holy mackerel. This that.
Ooh, that stinks.
That's Mr. Tom Stamey, our healthy president. Trying to get the fire going again. We are proud of it. It runs. Timing is good. Everything. Got a few leaks.
All of them.
That's Mr. Jack Lux. He's got a fine little motor that runs real good. Tom's got a T&P 10-wheeler. Guess what in the world is that? Look at that. Look at that. Paint a billboard on the back of that.
No, now.
Bob over firing up again. I'm going to run that little engine after a while, maybe. Kind of picking up all that mess he made. That champagne. Cheap bottle of champagne. We'll try to get back. Well, this is the next day. And this gentleman's standing out here trying to cut some weed. Bob was all new. Trying to learn how to run a weed eater. We got her all steamed up this morning. Made one round. Walter's out there on the engine now. There's Terry McGrath. That's the new guy. We didn't know his name. Anyway, they're out there pulling weeds. Getting ready for the meet, which will be the last of this month. There's the time. Everybody go. That's all you get. Okay. Nice day today. Temperature must be about between 80 and 85 degrees, I'd say. Got a breeze blowing. Real nice. Walter's off up the other end. I was kind of killing time. When he gets back, we're going to kind of get some pictures of him. You don't know that yet. There he comes. Look at that. Oh, he's so proud of that engine. Can't believe how proud he is. Look at that whistle. Got the cylinder cocked open. We were a little water through the stack going up this grade last night. He's thinking maybe that will eliminate that. I don't think it wasn't necessary, but gotta admit, I'm kind of proud of that engine too. Axle pump's not working this morning, but we did get the injector working yesterday, so we're not gonna worry too much about it. We'll pull her in after while we ain't about to cool down to death. We'll pull that cotton pick the piston out of there and put a new O-ring on. See if that'll solve the problem. Now, you gotta admit, that's kind of pretty. That eagle on the front. Hit the button, I'm sorry about that. Guess you noticed there was no clanking. Toot toot. See anything, but that's sitting in front of you. Now you could almost show a movie on the back of that shirt. He's gonna take me out here and shade race. By the way, after pump working, old Jack just didn't turn the water on. Now, I just think it right in my head. I think I'll turn it off. Yeah, you don't hear no rods clanking. That whistle's got to go, though. That's as far as I can reach out. Maybe he'd be so kind as to do me the same way. So glad we got that injector working. That hand pump got old yesterday. Hard to hold this thing steady. Run through the weeds. I guess he ain't gonna stop. Oh, flat wheel. Can't you let it down easy?
Huh?
I say, can't you let it down easy?
They didn't have the connections with it. The cables and stuff, they left it sitting up there on the pawn shop table.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Must have ran out of steam. had water in it.
See the heat coming off of it, can't you? Beautiful piece of merchandise. Workmanship.
Easy back there.
Easy. And there he goes, folks. Mr. Haskins off into the wildwood under there. There he comes. Yeah, we're coming around the bend here, folks. We're gonna come into Tarrytown. Just one Terry's passenger cars there. We're out here kind of on a work day. You see what the date is. Going through the station here. He's working up pretty hard. Going on the map here. This is Mr. Gray's yard. It's over here. Goes, folks. Let her roll. Look at that easy start. He's way out there. That's Flatbush we're looking at, folks. You see the station in the foreground. He's coming on through. See, we got an eagle on the front of that thing. Can you see that? How you like that? Look at the shine on that paint job. Coming on around here. That shady rest over there, folks. Here we're coming. We see the work gangs out there. Coming on in Tarrytown. Looks like we got a high ball for engineer here. you see here now, I'm gonna let Bob run this thing around one trip. Bob's a pretty good old boy. Jack's on there trying to show him how to do it right. You know, Bob got his own engine here about a couple weeks ago. Got to do a little work to it. We've been working on this a little bit. You'll see Bob again in just a second. Well, here comes Bob, y'all. He's there somewhere. Ah, there's Bob. There's Jack sitting on there, you know, nervous as usual. Bob's coming on around there. Sweet engine, folks, I'm telling you. Terry McGrath says it's just like a Rolls Royce. Here, I would describe it as a Cadillac. Rolls Royce. Folks, it kind of looks funny, them two guys scooting through the woods there. I'm sitting down here at Terrytown. They're coming on in here. They're going to get right behind them there woods in just a second. With the most beautiful Atlantic locomotive built that we know of. It's the best smooth built. Nothing wrong with it, no knocks, no squeaks or anything. Yeah, she's pretty. Runs good. And said Terry kind of says it's just like a Rolls Royce. Here's these two guys coming on in here. That's Bob again. Look at that thing.